Cordless electric mops are one of the most versatile and convenient cleaning tools available. Whether you want to upgrade your cleaning arsenal or take your cleaning routine to the next level, investing in a cordless electric mop can be a great choice. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless electric mops you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Redkey M1. Introducing the Redkey Cordless Electric Mop, the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional mopping and welcome a new level of cleanliness with this electric mop. Equipped with a 250-milliliter water tank, a built-in sprayer for cleaning and waxing, and microfiber cleaning and waxing pads, this mop is designed to tackle any type of floor surface, including wood, tile, marble, and vinyl. With its powerful dual motor spinning up to 250 revolutions per minute, stubborn stains, dust, and splotches are no match for the Redkey Cordless Electric Mop. And with a long-lasting 2200 mAh battery, you can clean up to 2,000 square feet in just one charge, making it an efficient cleaning tool for your entire home. The mop head is also flexible and adjustable, with a 160 degrees horizontal rotation and 90 degrees up and down rotation, making it easy to clean even the tightest spaces. Plus, the LED headlight helps you clean with ease, even in dark corners. The Redkey Cordless Electric Mop is priced at just $146 and is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Number 4. Bobot Mop King. The Bobot intelligent cleaning product is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to simplify their housework and enjoy it more. This electric mop has been thoughtfully designed from the handle to the mopping pads, making cleaning effortless and enjoyable. The 2 types of mop pads included in the package make it easy to clean or maintain your floors as needed. The Bobot electric mop is not only functional but stylish as well. Its sleek appearance and ergonomic design make it a pleasure to use. The infrared signal control and wireless design mean that you're not tied down by cords, and the built-in water tank makes it easy to wet the floor. LED lights help you clean those hard-to-reach, dark corners with ease. The noise level is less than 60 dB, and the rotating speed of the pads is 220 to 250 revolutions per minute. One of the standout features of the Bobot electric mop is its detachable battery. It's rechargeable, so you can remove it and charge it as needed, making cleaning even more convenient and safe. At just $129, this electric mop is a great investment for anyone who wants to make housework less of a chore. Get yours today and enjoy the benefits of a smarter cleaning solution. Number 3. Mamibot Mopa 580. The Mamibot Mopa 580 cordless electric mop is the perfect solution for anyone who hates cleaning floors. With its powerful dual motors, it makes cleaning a breeze. The spin mop can reach speeds of 245 revolutions per minute, making it quick and easy to remove stubborn stains, dust, and splotches from your floors. Plus, the LED headlight makes it easy to clean those hard-to-reach places. The spray function allows you to mop while you spray, and you can control the amount of liquid you want with the press of a button. This cordless electric spin mop is designed with convenience in mind. It has an extendable rod that can be adjusted to your desired length, so you can clean without having to strain your back or knees. The mop head is also able to rotate 180 degrees from left to right and 90 degrees for standing, making it easier to clean around furniture. The wireless technology allows you to clean your entire house without being restricted by distance, and the mop is super lightweight and easy to carry up and down stairs. Additionally, the Mamibot Mopa 580 cordless electric mop comes with a detachable 2600 mAh battery that can be charged anywhere. After a fast 3-hour charge, it can work for up to 35 minutes for dry mopping or 20 minutes for wet mopping. This makes it a convenient and efficient solution for anyone who hates cleaning floors. The price for this amazing electric mop is $119. Number 2. Vileda Looper. The Vileda Looper Steam Cleaner is a game changer for those who dread the tedious task of mopping. Say goodbye to heavy buckets, spills, and slow-drying floors, and hello to a cordless, lightweight cleaning solution. The rotating mop heads and onboard water tank make cleaning effortless and efficient, while the drip tray ensures your floors are left spotless. With a battery run time of 35 minutes, a charge time of 210 minutes, and a water tank capacity of 0.45 liters, the Vileda Looper is perfect for quick and easy cleanup. The rechargeable cordless mop weighs only 7 pounds and measures 11.81 by 7.87 by 43.70 inches, making it convenient and easy to store. The included 2 extra rotating mop head pads ensure that you'll never run out of cleaning power. The Vileda Looper operates at a decibel level of 72, making it quiet and unobtrusive while in use. The Vileda Looper is priced at $110 and is worth every penny for its superior cleaning power and ease of use. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. Tired of scrubbing your hard floors on your hands and knees? Say hello to the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Hard Floor Expert, a revolutionary cleaning tool that will make your cleaning experience a breeze. This cordless spin mop is designed to tackle tough pet messes and leave your floors shining like new. The spin mop is safe for use on sealed tile, linoleum, vinyl, and hardwood, leaving your floors looking refreshed and natural. With an 18-volt lithium-ion battery that provides up to 20 minutes of runtime, you can easily clean your entire home without the hassle of cords. Plus, the battery takes only 4 hours to charge, making it ready to go whenever you need it. The spin mop also comes with a low-profile swivel head that makes it easy to reach tricky spots and an on-demand spray feature that lets you control the amount of solution on your floor. With 4 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, trial-size hard floor sanitize formula, and 2 trial-size wood floor formulas included, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Hard Floor Expert is the perfect cleaning solution for your home, priced at just $175. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.